morning, farm. How you guys doing today? Speaking of cocktails now, I got Peppa Pink for you. My wife and I were in London. We went to a pub. You know, I thought maybe I'll just get a scotch, a pint. You know, like, let's see what all the men around there are doing. It was not that. They were drinking pink gins and lemonade, and they were flying off the shelves. Pink gin, I thought, emphasized more of the black currant and the berries, the sweetness of the gin, that I wanted to go against the mint, which we'll be talking about here shortly. So take 1.5 ounces of pink gin. If you can't find pink gin, regular gin will do fine. We're gonna take 1.5 ounces of grapefruit juice, fresh squeezed or store-bought. And we can start to smell that. That smells very good. And now we need some mint. Now we need to balance all that booze with some sweet triple mint. So for this one, we're gonna again use 3/4 of an ounce of triple mint. And this is just gonna start to bring the grapefruit and the gin together. And then they're just gonna start talking. And you're gonna wanna listen. And then we were going to use the omija, or the schizandra berry. Now this one is interesting because this has just about all 5 flavors. It's got sweet, it's got salty, it's got savory. And then they do a nice job talking to everything that's in here. I use 3 droppers, 3 milliliters of schizandra. And again, it's all to your taste. If you like more, go more. If you want a little bit less, I don't think you'll get to see what it does to the grapefruit. I think a little bit more. I also got some pink peppercorns to go into this drink, and I was trying to figure out a way that I could suspend them in the cocktail. So I thought maybe I could put a wheel of grapefruit. I could put it on the wheel of grapefruit. It didn't hold it well. It was very strong, a little too peppery. So I thought back to making an egg white cocktail, a little bit of foam on top, shaking that. Then you have this nice frothy white pillow to sprinkle a little bit of pink peppercorns on, and garnish with a little bit of grapefruit, and enjoy that botanical cocktail. So I'm gonna crack this egg. So just separate the egg from the yolk as best you can. You can go back and forth. I feel like doing a little egg Rocky style, a little oyster shot. I'm gonna pass for right now. So we got the egg white. I'm gonna pour that into the mix. We're gonna do one 5-second dry shake. Get it shaken really good. Get that egg white into your mix. Now that we are all shaken, we're gonna put some ice into the cocktail. Incorporate the ice. That'll help aerate it too once you shake it again. It can be a less gentle, a less aggressive shake. Once it's all mixed, grab your strainer, pour over your coupe, or whatever cocktail vessel you like to drink it from. Let it sit for a minute. Get a little bit of that cloudiness going on there. I chose to use a bit of a grapefruit as a garnish, to sit in like that. So the pink peppercorns are going to be a little bit strong if you use too much of them. I also will say, if you are allergic to walnuts or any kind of nut, the pink peppercorn is the only one that is related to the nut family. So if you are allergic, use green peppercorn, black peppercorn, white peppercorn, purple peppercorn, if there is a purple peppercorn. And then just garnish with some crushed pink peppercorns, which will go really good with the grapefruit and really good with the mint. And cheers.